Want to share your Excel sheet effortlessly without messy email attachments or file version chaos? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to share an Excel file using Google Drive in 2025. Quick, simple, and secure. Whether it's for work, school, or personal use, this guide will help you collaborate with anyone, anywhere. So let's jump right in. First, open your Google Drive account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free at drive.google.com using your Gmail account. Once you're in, click the New button on the top left corner. From the drop-down, select File Upload. Now, locate your Excel sheet on your computer. Click it and press Open. Your Excel file will begin uploading to Google Drive. Once the upload is complete, you'll see it appear in your Drive with an Excel icon. Next, right-click on the uploaded file and select Share. A sharing window will pop up. Here, you can add the email addresses of the people you want to share the file with. There are 3 sharing permission levels you can choose from. Viewer, they can only see the file but can't make changes. Commenter, they can add comments without altering the content. Editor, they can make direct edits to your Excel sheet. Pick the one that fits your needs. For example, if you're collaborating on a project, choose Editor. After that, you can type a quick message and click Send. Alternatively, if you want to share it with a larger audience or don't want to invite people individually, click Copy Link. Change the link setting from Restricted to anyone with the link, and then select the level of access. Now you can share this link via email, chat, or even social media. And that's it! You've just learned how to share your Excel sheet on Google Drive the right way in 2025. No more confusion, no more version conflicts, just seamless sharing and collaboration. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more quick guides, and let me know in the comments what topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.